I totally fucked up. Yeah, we smuggled into the BMW dealership. Yeah, usually we don't get to the car, but I said there's something intimate I need for home, so I need to get to the car. Let's try it out. Hi.
Hi.
Ich habe ein Fahrzeug bei euch, der Reparatur. Ich muss noch mal kurz dran was rausholen. Können wir gucken, ob der da steht?
Ich weiß nicht, ob er in der Werkstatt wird da definitiv nicht stehen. Sie können gerne mal schauen, wo Sie ihn abgestellt haben, ob er da noch steht, aber ansonsten
Ja,
müssen wir warten,
gucken wir mal.
bis wir da sind, ja?
Alles klar.
Alles klar.
Da hinten. We made it to our car. Look at this. I was totally unsure if I would like to show it to you guys that I totally messed up. Yeah, it's sad. I don't know. It feels like shit, to be honest. And it's my own fault. While shooting our last video, we was like, okay, let's get to the parking lot and go to the mall. And I was just too enthusiastic and I pushed the gas pedal too hard. And I didn't see the pillar next to me. So I crashed the side, and when you look at the crash, how it, wait. So this should be here, it looks like this. So I crashed the whole fender. Fender is totally gone. Bumper is totally gone. Glass of the LED is totally gone. And it was a crash with around 5 to 7 miles per hour, not more. And that's how it looks. I hope the wheel is fine, but the maddest thing is on the other side. Look at that. The transportation service pulled my car and they damaged the wheel. And the worst thing behind that, they will not admit that they did that. They said, talk to our lawyer, we don't know anything. The guy who pulled the car was like, was together with me, and I directly showed the damage to him, and he called to his office and was like, yeah, I already made the call that they will get in touch with you tomorrow. I said, okay, it's fine. I'm totally good that you damaged it, but nevertheless, please take care of it, and I'm totally fine. It happens, it can happen. But now I called them 5 or 6 times, and they always said, you'll get a call back. No call back. Next day, I don't know what happened. Then you explain again and again, you get a call back. No call back. The 6th time I called them, they were like, oh no, we didn't do that. You need to talk to our lawyer. Regarding the crash, the car is here since 1 week now. So I will document how long it will take to repair that shit. I hope they will match the car color. If not, I don't really know what to do. But yeah, that's how it looks now. It's sad. It's winter anyway, so I won't drive anyway, but I don't want that baby to look like that. It's just annoying to see that. And yeah, I just want to tell you that bad things can happen. I'm good. Nothing happened to me. It's just material and hardware, but nevertheless, it hurts. See you next time.